What's going on, guys? Ezra here. It's a beautiful Monday afternoon. We're here at Il Corso SRP. We're waiting for Mr. Ryan Yu because we're gonna shoot his car, and I'm gonna take you with me. See this? My GoPro. POV. So it's gonna be like you're gonna be shooting his car with me as well. In the mind of Ezra. Char. So yeah. Once he arrives, the sun will be, it's gonna be perfect lighting, hopefully. Are you ready for the car review? It's an R34!
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see the please come my way, like leaving brain control when I stray, yeah. Long sacrifice in the right my life, like living like a fairy tale. Sometimes I fall, I slip, yeah. More friends I meet, more like you, yeah. Not to crucify with the things I like. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded, low key and staying candid, reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to, find a comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get used to. A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane. Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second wind, thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running, wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in light speed.
Oh, diba, it's a very cool car. Now, unfortunately, the chest-mounted GoPro was set at a very bad angle. Like, you only see my crotch area when I'm shooting. So, I'll just salvage whatever footage from the GoPro that's usable and then put up the shot I took at that moment on the screen. Here, I'm trying to include a foreground element and a background element to make the car pop from the image. Here I'm walking around looking for a shot. It's a good thing I have a zoom lens on to help me get the composition I want a bit easier.
Nice.
I usually don't shoot with a lens hood, reason being I like how the sun hits the lens in shots like this one. Just being careful not to cover the subject and lens flares too much.
Lihok na to, bay? Pwede na mo i-kuhan? Oh, murag imong yana. Oh. Oo. Kawat ka gamay na rin niya.
When shooting a car, never forget your CPL filter or circular polarizing lens filter. It's gonna cut through most of the reflections on the paint and glass, making your shot more appealing. It's the sole reason why I can see the interior through the windshield and not a reflection of the sky. Kinahanglan ka og lens with a big aperture to get a really shallow depth of field, like in this shot. Still shooting at f1.8 to get that really blurry foreground. If you notice the side mirror, it's really out of focus.
Ah, masarado ah? Ah, okay.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's gonna help me out a lot. Link in the description for all the photos I took, and I'll even include the bad ones. Thanks for watching.